Before I begin this video, this is my first time I use the Flower Girl Request Show. Don't worry, I can still use my other intro, but only if I use the Flower Girl Request Show intro for the videos that Flower Girl requests me. And I'm so glad that she's back. Anyways, enjoy the video. The city of Vionsville, where 4 transformation birds are about to join Marsicasa Films. But one of the Marsicasa Films' most hated characters isn't happy for this to happen. I can't believe there are 4 new characters in transformation bird form in Marsicasa Films, and I'm gonna make them cry, and see how everybody knows. Now to jump out the window. Man, it's so sad when 4 got ranted by Michael the Vion guy. Yeah, I felt bad for him. If only Sway Sway and Badooz would come to the stage, they will know which character I could exactly join Marsicasa Films. Wait a minute. Did you say that there are 4 new characters in Marsicasa Films? Yes. Really? Who is it? I don't know. Neither could I, but we'll see about that when we get to the stage. Hi, hey guys! We heard that there are 4 new characters in Marsicasa Films. Really? That's awesome. Who is it? I don't know. Let's head to the stage and take our seats.Since Marsicasa Films lost hatred on our show and Team Umizoomi, let's see how the new characters that are going to join. Yeah, he found us to be useful and it teaches kids talented activities. And before that, there are 4 people who are in transformation bird form. If the characters who are cats that come to the stage, they'll see Marsicasa Films, Flower Girl, Zack, and 4 and Ticker's performance. Until it happens, Millie, Geo, and Bud are here too. It's a good thing that we're here. Yeah, and I hope the Shape Bandit doesn't come. Agreed, and it teaches kids math, just like Odd Squad and Peg Plus Cats. Olive, I thought Marsicasa Films is not a fan of Flower Girls. Excuse me. Anyways, I thought Marsicasa Films is not a fan of Flower Girl's favorite show next to Piggo, Banana Cricket, and Top Wing. Not anymore, because he liked this video on one of her Transformation Bird videos. Oh, okay, I get it. I'm so excited for the new Transformation Bird of Marsicasa Films, Mr. Frosty. Yes, and I'm so excited. Me too! If only Foldy, Stevie, and Marco would come, they would watch the performance. That's right. Okay, and Yellowface is also on the stage, and it's almost time. Okay, are you ready for the new characters of Marsicasa Films? 1, 2, 3, go! Hi guys, I'm Tigger, and are you ready for the new characters of Marsicasa Films? I hope if it's in transformation bird form, that are 4 men that Flower Girl loves most. Is everybody ready? I'm ready. Sure. Me too. So do I. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the IDFB dance. Drum roll please, Mario Jr. By the way, there's nobody quite like you.
So the plan is...
That was awesome! Incredible! This dance is so crazy, and now we can do our performance in the voting screen.
Tom, it's Gordon.
Huh? What was that sound? Where does it come from? Everybody, the sound is from Flower Girl's hand. Which hand? The right hand. Oh boy, I hope it's the 4 transformation birds. I think I hear something in Flower Girl's hand. Looks like somebody's saying the high five is in Flower Girl's hand. Hey you! Hey any of you in the audience! Can anyone hear who the high five belongs to? I don't know. Neither can I. I hope some of the characters that Morsicasa Films hate won't call me Shardy. Sure, I'm way better than classic Caillou and DW, Charlotte. Hey Piper, you said my real name. Thanks, Charlotte. Wow, the high five is gonna be very incredible. So awesome! I hope it will be better than Butterbean's Cafe. Agreed. Something's wrong with my hand. Flower Girl, it's shaking! We better run before the 4 transformation birds come out of her hand. Everybody duck! Don't panic, Flower Girl! Oh no! Here it comes!
Tom, it's Gordon.